Alright, let's see if they let me walk through. What's up, everybody? Derek Ting here. I'm in my old hood, Wan Chai. I used to sit here. This cafe used to be a Starbucks, actually, but now it's something else. I don't even know what it's called. So today I just picked up the LEICA M10-D. Pretty excited. But as you can see, there's no LCD screen, so that if you take a photo, you're not able to check it unless you have the app. So this is really, really for serious photographers. They also gave me the 35 1.4. They gave me the choice of a 1.4 or a 2.0, and I said, well, I heard the 2 is sharper, but I mean, 1.4, really. Here's my struggle. I understand photography, but getting the settings right all the time, I'm usually not that good. I usually have to check how my photos turned out and do my slight tweaks. So I'm going to enlist my wife, Joyce Young, who's a photographer, and see what she thinks. Did you notice the sound on that last video? It was actually coming from the camera. So that's how the mic sounds. I have a Sennheiser, and it's like a little tiny one, like one of those tiny ones, and I think it's terrible, actually. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, probably. So I've switched over to the lapel mic, so obviously it sounds a lot better. Right behind me is the Stone Nullah Tavern. If any of you guys recognize it from Always the Movie, my second film, my first directing debut. So we're in Wan Chai, and I'm just going to be taking a look around. And then later on today, I'm actually visiting my friend's book launch, and I'm really excited for him because this is his second book that he's completed. And I love to see people just, keep going. They start something and they do one and then the other. That's Hong Kong traffic for you. That's the historic Blue House right behind me. It's a 4-story building built in the 1870s. It's really, really historic in Hong Kong. It's one of the few remaining Tong Laos that are, please pass by, existing in Hong Kong. There are lots of things that have gone on here. It's been a residence, it's been a martial arts school, lots of things. I just happened to be passing by and I thought I'd share it with you. Kind of reliving the memories here when I used to live here about 5 years ago. Lots of great bars in this area. I just showed you Stone Nullah, which was really cool. They're Calypso mangoes. Thank you. Can't believe we used to live in one of these high-rises up here, but Wan Chai is super convenient. What's up, guys? Want to be on my vlog?
Oh, thank you.
I know the presentation's not very good, but they're Calypso mangoes. Hello. Can I have a book? Hey, how are you? Congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
What's up, man?
How are you?
Good?
It's a lot of hours in a room typing away, and then you put yourself out there and you either succeed or you fail. But I'm touched anyway. I want to thank I want to thank my good friend Anthony for lending me his fabulous boutique. To all of you, to book 3, everything all the way up to 7.
Super excited to hang out with Tegan Martin and friends. Martin, congrats on the most recent book, the second installment to Heather Foxton. I had a great time and I'm looking forward to reading this action-adventure novel. So thanks everyone for watching. Hope you'll like and subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for the review on the LEICA M10-D. All right, take care.